How do you find the perfect push-up position? And for that matter, the perfect position when you're doing any sort of press, especially with dumbbells. Now, a lot of people, when they do push-ups, their elbows are too high, they come too low, and they don't really know where to go. So we want to allow for free movement through our scapula. So we can protract, retract, elevate, do press, science, right? Now, how do we find that position? Now, one of the best ways to actually find your elbow position is to have somebody kind of guide your humerus with your arm. But if you don't have that, you can watch to see what happens with your shoulder and that anterior glide. So for example, when somebody does a push-up really close, or like a chaturanga push-up, watch my shoulder as I come forward here. Look at this, this is coming forward. So this is just hitting that joint and that capsule, and I'm no longer hitting my chest, which with a push-up, we want to hit our chest, right? So I simply take my arm, I find the position. So I'm nice and high here, right? I pull out, up, see here, my shoulder is tipping forward that anterior glide. So this is not a good position for this arm. I come back out, I come here, up, I still have that glide forward. Now let's come here, oh, my scapula is moving more freely, and here I can retract fully. So this position for this arm is where I want to be. I do the same thing, maintain this, for this arm. This comes forward, doesn't feel good, nope. There, I'm able to come back. So here is my hand position. I keep that, I start on my knees, I slowly come down, boom, and there is my hand position right here. One leg out, one leg here. Then we're going to start through the top. So naturally my elbows are going to fall in that same position here. I want to think about opening up a can. So we're just kind of turning on those lats a little bit, not dropping those elbows in, just applying that pressure so the lats come on, abs nice and tight, give yourself a little cough, then control down. Allow those shoulder blades to come back naturally. Drive up, slow, controlled motion, drive through the top. This way, you'll make sure you're getting every single rep that counts without going into that position where we go into that glide and that shoulder is taking the stress, or a typical push-up where people are too high here and they're coming down and too much stress on the shoulder and you're not getting that chest. So find that good position here. Usually it's 30 to 60 degrees with that elbow. Come down and allow those shoulder blades to come back. Pause through, drive up. That's how you do a push-up and find the perfect position. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Joey Thurman. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you get my book, The Minimum Method, the least you can do to be a stronger, healthier, happier you.